Middleburg's real estate market has grown steadily in recent years, attracting families, retirees, and professionals who value the town's peaceful charm and close-knit community. With more buyers looking for modern, energy-efficient homes, even small upgrades can make a big impact on property value. One of the most effective, and often overlooked, improvements is upgrading your windows. New, high-quality windows not only enhance your home's appearance but also improve comfort, efficiency, and security, all key selling points for today's buyers. If you're planning to sell or simply want to boost your home's value, here are the window upgrades that make the biggest difference in Middleburg's housing market. Energy-efficient windows. A smart investment. Energy efficiency tops nearly every buyer's wish list, and windows play a crucial role in achieving it. Many older homes in Middleburg still have single-pane windows, which allow heat to escape in winter and enter during summer, driving up energy bills. Double or triple-pane windows with low emissivity, low-E coatings and argon gas insulation provide excellent thermal performance. These windows reduce heat transfer, keeping interiors cooler in Middleburg's warm months and warmer during chilly evenings. Not only do they cut energy costs, but they also appeal to environmentally conscious buyers looking for green home features. Realtors consistently note that homes with Energy Star-rated windows command higher resale prices and sell faster than those without. Vinyl and fiberglass windows. Durable, low-maintenance option. Modern buyers prefer upgrades that reduce upkeep, and that's where vinyl and fiberglass windows shine. Unlike traditional wood frames that require repainting or sealing, these materials resist moisture, fading, and warping, making them ideal for Middleburg's humid climate. Vinyl windows are budget-friendly yet highly energy efficient, while fiberglass windows offer superior durability and strength. Both options provide long-term savings and lasting appeal, making them an attractive feature when it's time to list your home. Plus, their sleek, clean design complements a variety of architectural styles, from Middleburg's classic ranch homes to contemporary new builds. Impact-resistant windows. Safety and peace of mind. Florida homeowners know that weather can be unpredictable. Impact-resistant windows, designed to withstand high winds and debris, provide valuable protection during storms, a major selling point for buyers prioritizing safety. These windows feature laminated glass layers that stay intact even if shattered, protecting interiors from damage and improving security against potential break-ins. For buyers relocating from other regions, this added layer of storm protection and home security offers peace of mind and boosts perceived home value. Sound-reducing windows. A quiet luxury as Middleburg grows, some neighborhoods experience more traffic and activity than before. Sound-reducing windows help create a quiet indoor environment, an underrated but highly desirable feature for families and remote workers. Upgrading to windows with laminated or thicker glass significantly reduces outdoor noise, turning your home into a calm retreat. This improvement not only enhances everyday living but also makes your property stand out in competitive listings. Modern window styles. Aesthetic and functional appeal. Curb appeal plays a major role in attracting buyers, and modern window styles can transform your home's exterior instantly. Casement, bay, and picture windows add architectural interest, natural light, and panoramic views, all features that buyers love. Replacing outdated or mismatched windows with a cohesive, contemporary look gives your home a fresh, well-maintained appearance. In a market where first impressions matter, stylish, functional windows can help your home sell faster and at a higher price. Professional installation. The finishing touch. No matter how high quality your windows are, professional installation is essential for maximizing performance and value. Poorly installed windows can lead to air leaks, condensation, or reduced energy efficiency, issues that deter buyers during inspections. Hiring experienced installers ensures a precise fit, airtight seals, and long-term reliability. It's a small investment that pays off with better comfort, lower utility bills, and a higher resale price. Final thoughts. In Middleburg's competitive housing market, window upgrades offer one of the best returns on investment. They improve comfort, aesthetics, and energy performance while appealing to today's buyers who value quality and efficiency. Whether you're preparing to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a better living environment, investing in modern, energy-efficient, and durable windows will enhance your home's beauty and marketability for years to come. With the right window replacements and professional installation, your Middleburg home won't just look more inviting, it'll be worth more too.